video, we will be showing you how to remove the non-return valve, NRV, in your Domino AX series printer. Start by unscrewing the NRV from the manifold block. Note the orientation of the valve, direction of flow, to ensure the new one is installed correctly. This is typically located on the left side of the manifold assembly, directly connected to the solvent or flush line. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the valve and pull away from the ink block.